Hi, I'm Chris, and it's been six or 5 years I've been living here in Abu Dhabi, and sad kasi this is the first time na hindi ako makauwi ng Christmas sa Philippines to spend with my family. Sad, mas lalo siyang sad kasi birthday ko pa naman yun, but I used to spend my birthday and Christmas sa Philippines. But I will try my best to still celebrate with my friends here. Hi, I'm Red.
I'm Apollo.
So this is Ori, but Lian is still sleeping. So from my family to yours, binabati po namin kayong lahat ng Merry Christmas. And we've been here in UAE. Ini-celebrate namin yung Christmas sa UAE for almost 3 years now, simula nung sumunod kami dito sa Abu Dhabi. So as a mother, I always make sure na maramdaman ng mga anak ko yung Pasko na almost walang difference sa Philippines. Kasi iba naman talaga yung Pasko sa Pilipinas. Yung spirit of Christmas mararamdaman mo. So I do my best na maramdaman nila yon.
Sa akin, dumating kasi ako dito na mag-isa lang. So na-experience ko mag-spend ng Christmas dito alone. But to compare with my family, celebrating Christmas is much better, and it's a quality time to share and to give.